Hey guys, welcome back. So in this lecture, we're going to see how to test delete request in Cypress. So here's the delete API. So again, it's the same resources API user /2, and as a response, it will give us a 204, and there will be no response body, or you can say empty body up here, right? So it will delete this user, which is ID number 2, right? So response again is status 2 and the body is empty. That's the 2 validation. Okay, come to here. Let's go to our root directories. Here is our API test. Then here you can see we have one spec file. It's called the delete user. So open that one. So I created another new spec file and just added our reference type, our describe block and in block, as you know. So here is the title. It should delete that user successfully. Okay, again, let's start as it is. We know CUI request. This is very simple. CUI request, and here we have to pass our argument along with this request. What's the, as you know, method, and then what else we supposed to send? URL or endpoint, and what else we supposed to send? Header. I will just copy and paste the whole header. So what's the method? Method should be delete, right? Delete comma, and the URL, as you know, that it should be the API slash users /2, right? And then our API key and the value, right? API, this is the one. And anything else? I think there is one more. Since this is going to be delete the user, so it will delete this user, so there will be no empty. There will be empty response. The response body will be empty. So that's why, to fail our automation execution, to prevent our automation execution, we need to pass file on a status code, right? So we need to pass file on a status code. You can pass this here. Remember, we use this file on a file. Oh, sorry, it's called fail on. Where is that? Fail on status code. Let me just type fail on status code. That should be fail on status should be false, right? Okay, so to prevent our execution stopping, right? And then we're going to have our then block, right? So our response block. So dot then response, here is a response, and this is the function for our then function, right? The body, and here we can use expect our assertion. We can say expect, or you expect, we can expect, we can say it's not that much. Status code, we can say response dot status code dot to equals to should be 204, right? Isn't it 204? It should be 204, I believe. 204 when you delete it, right? And then what else could be? The body should be empty. So we can say expect the response. This is the response dot body. It should to be, you can say to be empty dot empty. Okay, so status code 204 and the body should be empty. I think that's it. Nothing else we have up here. So save it, make sure, and let's open our test runner and go here. Let's delete user. Here we go. There's a session status code 204 and also expect the body is empty. There's nothing, right? So that's pretty, that's all you can do, or you can test for your delete request.